با هم دیگه به زیرزمین این مجموعه میریم که به قول راهنمای ما یک انبار شراب دیدنی و زیباست.
For us, it's more elegant. We use around 85% of the total of our barrel come from French oak, 15 from American oak. American oak is more intense, and we think it's too heavy for the expression of our grapes. Also, it's important the size of the barrels. In the small ones, you have more contact wine with wood. In the big ones, the contact is less or is softer, and we prefer the big ones for the manto negro and the small ones for the Shiraz. Shiraz have a bit more of the structure and resist better the contact with oak. We use the barrels for four times, four vintages. After the 4 vintages, the oak lose the wood, don't give too much more to the wine. And other thing, the port of the wood start to be full and don't produce more interaction with the oxidation with the wine. The time is important. We keep all of our wines only for 12 months. After the 12 months, the oaky flavor, the oaky taste start to cover the fruitiness. With 12 months, it's not. After that, we blend and we bottle it. The winemakers decide the blend. It's very important. They should try all of the barrels and decide which one they know before. More or less the blend, but the final decision they take after the tasting. And inside the temperature is controlled, 16 degrees, 14-16 degrees, and the humidity. The wood need humidity. So if the wood dry, broke, and we lose the wine. And we are super proud of this building. Looks it's an industrial area, but it looks super nice. Information in the barrel is about the barrel, not about the wine. For example, the date, 2018, is the date of construction of the barrel, not the date of the wine. The wine is all of the wine come from the last year, 2022. And you can see also someone put more information or less information, but this come from the French oak, here for French. In the Demtos you can see where it come from. This come from the American oak, US, United States oak. It's more technical things. In the entrance you can see the old barrel from Mallorca, but this is probably 250 years old.
Wow.
But in the past, the people used the barrel only to storage the wine. Today, we use the barrel like a tool to polish the wine, to add flavor, to give micro oxygenation. And in the past, but no, nowadays, also we haven't oak. But in Mallorca, we have a lot of olive tree and pines, and it's made with that wood. Probably are not the best good for the wine, but they think only to store it.
So the taste also changes over the...
Too much. I think it's too aggressive with the taste. And this building, we have a special character. We are in love with this building. We won't continue using. This is part of the history. It's more easy, pull down and produce and build a new one. But we think we lose part of our legacy if we do that. And it's super beautiful.
Yeah, for sure. حالا با هم وارد خانه بسیار زیبای خانواده ریباس میشیم، جایی که از قضا در گوشه از حیاط اون خانواده دور هم جمع شدن و مشغول صرف شام و نوشیدن شراب هستن که اگر توجه بکنید از اینجا به بعد صدای این مهمانی در پس زمینه صداها مشخص خواهد بود. خانه بسیار زیباست، اما اجازه بدیم به این جزئیات زیبا در انتهای این ویدئو مجدداً بپردازیم و ابتدا به حیاط بریم و آماده بشیم برای مزه کردن شراب‌ها. اگر تا اینجا با ما همراه بودین میخوام ازتون خواهش بکنم که حتما گلنس چنل رو سابسکرایب کنید و این ویدیو رو لایک کنید و نظراتتون رو برامون بنویسید. نظرات شما برای ادامه راهمون خیلی مهمه.